Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face and we will see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here correct. So I just will try one more thing. I'll wear my glasses and I'll try to unlock the device with the glasses and we'll see does it works. So as we can see, with the glasses also face unlock works correct. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.